Welcome to the Back on Track product demonstration. Today we're demonstrating the Executive Tire Repair Kit from Back on Track. Inside the bag you'll find your inserting tool, the reamer tool, 5 string repairs, vulcanizing cement and a hand cleaner. Back on Track tubeless tire repair can be used anywhere. Perfectly for the 4x4 enthusiast going on holiday through Botswana, Zimbabwe, wherever you might find that you have a tire punctured, cut, anything like that. You can fix your tire and carry on your holiday experience. The preparation entails finding the hole on the tire, inflating the tire, because it's always easier to work on an inflated tire. Remove whatever caused your puncture inside the tire. Take your reamer tool to prepare the hole for the fixture. Ream the tire clockwise 3 times in and out to make it easier for the preparation of the tire repair. Take your inserting tool and your string of plugs. Remove a plug from the packaging. It is really sticky. Feed it through your inserting tool as needle and thread. Add your vulcanizing cement to the tip close to the needle. This will spread when you add or when you insert it into your tire. On top of the needle, you've got a slight gap between the 2 needle ends, which will ensure that once you put the plug inside the tire and pull back the tool, that it releases the plug and your tire will be fixed. Remove the reamer from the tire and insert your inserting tool with your plug. Do not push it all the way in. As you can see, this tool stops it. Once releasing the plug, you can slice it off using any other blade. The plug stays behind and your tire is fixed. Another successful tire repair, putting me back on track.